Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back if you're new to my channel. Welcome! My name is Briszell and today I'm going to be talking about my very first YouTube paycheck for the month of December. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, I have watched a lot of these videos and I don't like it when people take forever to say the amount. So that is what I'm going to do first. In the month of December of 2024, right? Yes. I made $176.03. Yes. Now I know it is not a lot, but honestly, this is the realistic look at how much money you can make on YouTube. So in the month of December, you guys, I uploaded a video 54 times. Let's get into the breakdown. So for the month of December, I made $176.03. Okay, so now I want to get into the details of where the money came from. So for my videos, just so that you guys have an idea, you guys can kind of see my RPM is $7. I mean, no, it is not. My RPM is $4.72. My RPM changed all throughout the month. I had 4.1K views. And for my videos, in watch paid ads, I made $12.42. Supers and gifts on my videos only made $7, and that is those thanks when you watch a video, which if you come over here, you can see it was this video where I made, it was actually a $10 thanks, but YouTube takes 30%. So just remember that YouTube takes 30% of all of the revenue that you make, and it was a thanks on this video right here. Now for my shorts, sorry, it's like cut off. For my shorts, I made $13.27. And then for my live streams, I did receive supers and gifts, which that was the amount of $93.31. And my watch paid ads, which is crazy, was $50.03. That is absolutely amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. Now, if you come over here to this section, and right here shows you how much money I've made. So you kind of have like an idea of how much money I have made so far from my videos. So anyways, so on this side of the screen, you can see that my videos made $19.42, and it gives you a breakdown. These are all of my long form videos, and the most amount was this video right here that had a thanks on it, was $7.29. The next one was a deep cleaning of my bathroom. It was $1.56. The next one was a hair video, which is $1.13. And then 70 cents for a deep cleaning and 59 cents for an arm workout that I did. Now for my shorts, you guys, this short right here, this short made or has 3 million views. This short was uploaded before I got monetized. Most of the momentum died by the time I got monetized, and I believe that if I would have uploaded this short before or after I got monetized, it would have so much more money on it. But it made $12.53, and the rest of them are below 13 cents. Now for my live streams, my RPM was only 85 cents. Oh, for my shorts, it's only 19 cents. And my RPM for my live streams is only 85 cents. I made $143 in revenue on my live streams, which is absolutely amazing. A lot of these videos had supers on them. That's why the amount is so high. I believe this video that I did here is the only video that did not have a super chat on it. This was organic. It made $13.34, which I thought was absolutely amazing. Okay. And yes, so you can kind of see for the month of January, I did not make the $100 threshold. I barely uploaded in January. I only had $39. I only made $39.56. And then in February, which we're still in February, it made $55.40. I made. Now, when it comes to when I first got monetized, I believe my monetization happened, let me see, I think it was around December 14th is when I got monetized, because the rest of these are like zero. There's no money here. And these spikes are only from the super chats that I received, because before you get monetized, before you fully get monetized, you're able to unlock super chats. And I go live a lot. So I received super chats before, and I was really thankful. I'm so thankful to everybody that has sent me a super chat, any type of super chat or anything. I am very thankful for all of you guys. I really do appreciate it so much. But when I got monetized, I think it was around December 13th, because this one still says zero, and my revenue has never really said zero since being monetized. So I do believe it was around December 13th when I got monetized. So this revenue happened from December 13th to December 31st. And the least amount of money that I made in December, I'm trying to find the lowest. I think it was like $1. It's kind of hard to track it here. Or was it? I think it was December 31st, which, yes, it was $1.25. And the most amount of money that I made was $40.20 in December. So yes, I believe that's all of the breakdown. What happens if you click see more? Oh, if you click see more, it just goes through the breakdown of how much money you made on each of your videos. This is really a realistic look at how much my live streams make. A lot of these are live streams. Just to let you have an idea of how it works. And oh, that's crazy. Yes, this is the breakdown of how much money all of my live streams and my videos make. I do believe I make more money on my live streams than I do my long form videos. But yes, so there's that. All right, guys, so that is how much I made for the month of December, and I am really thankful for everybody that shows support to my channel. If you are subscribed, if you've ever liked a video, if you've ever sent me a super chat, any of the things that you guys do for my channel really helps me out, and I really do appreciate all of it. The amount of money that I made in December would not be possible without you guys, so thank you. Thank you so much for that. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscription button down below. And until next time, bye guys.